8 side jobs to make some extra money. Are you short on extra cash? Do you have to stretch from paycheck to paycheck to get the bills paid? If you're not ready to look for a higher paying full-time position or don't want to commit to adding a permanent part-time job to your schedule, consider a flexible side job or an on-demand gig. You can work as much or as little as you'd like. You'll be able to set your schedule based on how much you want to boost your earnings, and you will end up with some new skills to bolster your resume. There are many different ways to make money on the side, and there are some gigs you can do from home. Here are 8 side gigs to consider when you need some extra income. Number 8. Organizer or mover. Are you organized? Does cleaning out cabinets and closets sound like fun? Whether it's for someone who needs help staying organized or for someone who is downsizing their home, you can get paid to help clear out clutter. You can sign up for bellhops or GoShare to help people move. Number 7. Tutoring. You don't have to have an advanced college degree to become a tutor. College students are often hired to tutor elementary and high school students or as peer tutors, and for older candidates, a bachelor's degree in a subject area can help you line up tutoring jobs for after school, evenings, and weekends. Check with the guidance office in your school district for high school and elementary jobs, and with the Career or Student Employment Office for campus positions. Number 6. Party planner. If you have a knack for planning parties, this is a side job you can easily get started doing. Offer your services to everyone you know, and you'll soon have a list of clients who can attest to your abilities. You can start small with events like kids' birthday parties and expand as you build your experience. Number 5. Customer service representative. Customer service is one of the fastest growing occupations. You'll find plenty of opportunities to get hired for both online and in-person positions. Evening and weekend jobs are plentiful if you need to work around your day job. Number 4. Pet sitter, dog walker, or sniff spot host. If you prefer pets to people, pet sitting is an ideal way to make some money. You could work at a doggy daycare or boarding facility, or you could be self-employed. One way to get started is to check with your family, friends, neighbors, and your pet to line up referrals. You can also sign up on websites and apps like Wag and Rover to market your services. Number 3. Caregiver. Babysitters are always in demand, and elder care is a fast-growing field. There are always positions available with flexible hours. Options include signing up for a caregiving service like care.com or securing your own jobs. In either case, you'll be able to set your availability based on your schedule. Number 2. Household helper. Are you handy around the house? Can you fix or build things? Do you like cleaning and organizing? TaskRabbit is a site you can use to offer your services. After you've been approved, you'll be able to use the app to find jobs that interest you. If you have handy person, assembly, or cleaning experience, sign up for Handy or Amazon Professional Services to find jobs in your city. You can also use Craigslist and word of mouth to find additional gigs. Number 1. Rideshare or delivery driver. If you have a reliable vehicle and know your way around town, there are openings for drivers in all the cities where ride-sharing is permitted. Another option is to deliver packages for companies like Amazon. You'll be able to work a flexible schedule and use your car to earn cash. UPS hires drivers and driver helpers for part-time positions. Check company websites for information on driving, delivery, and delivery helper jobs in your location. You'll be able to quickly and easily apply online from your computer or your phone.